Well, a lot of people like to grill this time of year because the weather's tolerable, but how about grilling inside? Chef Anthony Serrano is using something called the beefer, and I like the name.
The beefer. Well, first of all, I got to show you how I cook an amazing ribeye steak.
Okay.
So just check this out. This beefer gets to 1500 degrees, so it's beautiful. Look at that crust. We have a little bit of sizzling. That's called the Maillard reaction. So it's when the proteins in the beef caramelize, and they give it that little like crunchiness, and it adds to a lot of that good flavor.
1500 degrees.
1500 degrees. It's got a ceramic burner inside. That's what gets it nice and hot. So there we have a ribeye steak, which is what the beefer is all about. But you know, it's the holiday season, so I thought it'd be fun to make a nice little holiday inspired menu. So we'll start off with our ham. So if you want to, this is sugar-free maple syrup. Okay. So if you want to put this in this little bowl, if you don't mind helping.
No, gosh, are you kidding me?
Then I have a little bit of chipotle. And then this is a Southwestern, so if you want to put that in there as well. And we have a little bit of mustard in there. It's a Southwestern style mustard, so it has some little bit of spice and stuff too, which is really good. Yeah, just mix it up like that.
Chef Anthony, tell us a little bit about the beefer. It grills multiple things.
It grills multiple things. Yeah, it's new to the United States. It gets all the way up to 1500 degrees. It's got a ceramic burner in it. It runs on propane. Yeah, and then so we're just gonna smear that on there. Smear, that's a culinary term. And so it's a technical term. You might have not heard that before.
We're glazing.
We're glazing. So we're gonna put that on there, and then I'm gonna put it back in my beefer. I have it on.
Is that enough?
That's perfect. Okay. So we're gonna have that sweet along with that spiciness. And the one thing I like is, since, you know, it's the holidays, we're all watching our carbs. That's why I use the sugar-free maple syrup. That way it's not too overpowering. So we're gonna put that in the beefer for a few minutes. And next, we'll start making our next sauce for our broccoli. You wanna help me with this one too?
Well, Erin needs to try that. Get her in on this.
Let me get on
that's a great idea.
So this has been...
If you wanna squeeze one of these lemons in there. And yeah, so the beefer, so it gets to 1500 degrees, which is the really neat thing, and you can actually use it indoors, which is fun, because a lot of times you want to grill, but you have to go outside. This you can actually, that's perfect. That's the perfect amount.
Because a lot of people who live in an apartment or a condo and they don't have the space for a grill, then they don't have to miss out, because it is a healthy way to cook, too.
Exactly. So in here I have a little bit, we just squeezed in some lemon juice. Then I'm doing some butter. We're going to throw in a little bit of our herbs. A little bit of the citrus dust I'm going to put in there just for a little extra flavor.
Fancy.
A little bit of orange peel.
Salt.
A little bit of salt.
You have to do the Salt Bay.
Right, you gotta go. We got some of it in there. And then I'm going to put this right over our broccoli. Again, we're going to smear it, glaze it, whatever culinary term you want to use, just so it's on there nice and pretty.
Does this cook faster because of the temperature, or do you still need to give the same amount of time?
It definitely cooks faster. It's got a valve up there so you can adjust the temperature. So it definitely cooks a lot faster. Right now we've got that glaze on there. It's starting to melt on there. It's starting to caramelize. Give it another second, and while that's in there, we're actually going to get this ceramic dish that beefer sells. Do a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
So you're able to put multiple things in the
Right, that's one of the cool things about it. So we're going to pull out this dish right here. We're going to put our broccoli in there.
And then it'll drip onto the broccoli.
And then it's going to drip in there just like that.
Because that'll make broccoli taste not like broccoli.
And then you see we started getting that nice caramelization, so all that sweetness is really coming out.
There you go.
We'll put our ham steak next to our ribeye.
And this is a little pricey. It's about $900. You said, where can people get one?
Right, so you go to beefer.com or chefanthonyserrano.com to check it out. And if you use promo code Chef Anthony, you get a free set of these cool tongs that are perfect for the beefer.
Handy.
And then finally, we're going to make some potatoes.
We're going to let you make those potatoes during the break. We are out of time, unfortunately. But if you are interested in grilling inside, the beefer might be the thing for you. We have a lot more to come on Good Morning Arizona. We'll be right back.